So when I finish, I'm going to separate this soft one. I'll separate them like this, like this, like this. Create a knot to secure it. There is it, it's done. I don't know if you can the video, so I'll bring the camera closer so you can see it clearly, okay? So let me go.
Standing on you pay people, the ones that accept this part, their payment is different from the one that want you to stand for 4 hours and 5 hours. You understand? And
Can I just show the hairstyle a bit? Okay. Let me just find a good way to show you love. Over here? Yeah. Or if you want to tie everything up, you can just hold it back here if you don't. And tie it. Oh! That's nice, and it brings out like, yeah, my face a little bit more. Yeah. You can do a lot with just using the hair. Yes. You don't need so much styling. Okay. Thank you.